Good evening, everyone. This is Shilavati from this side, and all of you who are watching right now. I'm sure many of you have not yet joined my page, Psychic Sheila. So, from the other side, this is Shilavati, and all of you are welcome to my page, Psychic Sheila. And as you all know, I had already given a notification yesterday that today I will be giving you, I will be coming live, but what the live is all about, this will be a surprise. So I hope whoever will be joining here, I would love to see how many of you all are coming, and if you just say a hello, or you may type where are you seeing the live from, as in now I can see some of my friends have already joined in. So since this page is regarding tarot and numerology, so today on the very first day I'm definitely not going to start with both the things together. I would probably be giving you some introduction. Firstly, the introduction is regarding me. Most of you might be knowing me, and those of you who don't know me, this is my new identity. I am a certified tarot reader and a numerologist, and from today on I will be starting this weekly live from this page of Instagram, and I already take some lives in Facebook as well. I do post many remedies, many sort of predictions which I personally do through calculations of numbers in numerology. So all this stuff you will be able to see over here. Apart from this, if you wish to do readings, actually I had to come live because some of my friends who are already my clients as well, they did ask me to come up on live and share my insights, daily insights to all of you. Those who are still not getting the chance to know about me or about this modality. So here I am. So right now I can see some of you have already joined, and I'm really happy to see all of you, and it's a very lucky number which is being flashed out right now in front of me. So first of all, I'm welcoming all of you to my page Psychic Sheila. Hi, Shaktirula Bali. Okay, hello sir, Shaktirula Bali. Okay, so I might once I start my session, I might not be able to converse with you all, but I would love to hear where are you all watching the live from. Okay, so this would it will kind of motivate me to see where are you all watching this live from. And I'm sure this live will be recorded, so those of you who are not able to join today, you kindly keep it in your timeline or somewhere in your to-do list that every week I need to discuss with you all. Okay, so after this, from the next week, I would probably start giving you weekly predictions as per your date of birth number. Now you would be wondering that there are 1 to 31, means am I going to read out the 31 date of births at a time in one single live? Then of course not. It's not possible at all. Firstly, people won't be having so much of energy to stay online nowadays for such a long hours, and secondly, there are more other sources, so you have to be smart and tricky to make your work done faster, right? So in order to solve that, I will be dividing all the date of birth numbers from 1 to 31 into 9 date of births. Okay, so in today's session I would like to tell you what are those 9 date of births which will be covering all the 31 dates. All right, so suppose a person is he is born on 1st, or a person is born on 12th, or on 23rd, or on 31st. So somewhere this date of people from these date of births will come down to a single digit date of birth. Okay, so this is the trick of numerology, where we will be covering all the people from 1 to 31 in just 9 numbers. Now I will also try to tell you what is the significance of these 9 numbers in my next sessions. Alright, so since today talking about only these 9 numbers, I forgot to ask you this question initially. Okay, so all these date of births which are ranging from 1 to 31st, okay, these all date of births will be coming down to these 9 numbers, okay. And what are these 9 numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I hope this live will be recorded. Okay, so that those of you who are not able to join in today's live, you will be able to understand what I will be bringing for you in the coming sessions. So today we are going to understand that who are these 9 numbers and how are you going to understand that whether you belong to these numbers or not. And remember, in numerology, these numbers play a very, very vital role in changing your life. Okay, just like in our school days, maths used to play a very vital role throughout our life. Similarly, these numbers still play a very vital role throughout our life. Alright, so now I'm going to take an example of a date of birth. First, suppose I am taking my own date of birth, that is 1st December 1987. In this way you are going to know about my date of birth as well, so I won't be surprised if I get birthday wishes on this date. Never mind. So here you can see I am already having 1. Okay, 1. So instead of this I am taking another date of birth which will be within 31st but will be a 2-digit number. Suppose it is 11. Okay, 11, 12, 1987. Alright. Now, when you bring down, this is a 2-digit number. Okay, so those of whose birthday come after 10 to 31st, they are called 2-digit numbers. So, okay, 2-digit numbers. Now, these 2 digits have to bring down to single digit. Okay, sorry, I shouldn't write 1, I should write single digit. Okay, so what do you understand by single digit? So if it is 1, so you have to add up the first 2 numbers of the date of birth, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So those of you who are born on 11th, it means you belong to 2. Okay, this is your driver number. Now remember, today I will also tell you about what is driver number, what is conductor number, and what is Kua number. Okay, this one maybe I will be telling you in the later half, in the later session, because this is required in some other case, but in order to know about your daily basis predictions, this is not so much significant. Okay, the main significant numbers are the driver number and the conductor number. Alright, now since you have understood your driver number, means if you are a double-digit person, you have to add up. Okay, you have to add up your date. Okay, date of birth. Date of birth. You have to add this 2-digit only to bring down it to a single digit number. So at that point of time, whatever number is coming down, that becomes your driver number. Alright, so for example, I am going to take another example. Like if I take 13th, if someone's date of birth is 13th of some month, okay, so this becomes 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So that person is a 4th number. Now in the later sessions I will also tell you that this number 4 people belongs to which element, okay, or which planet, or what are their lucky colors. Alright, these sort of topic we will be covering in our next sessions. Alright, so now since I hope those of you who are watching, this is clear to you that how are you going to bring down this double digit to single digit. Okay, so now 1 to 9. Now I'm going to show you that which numbers are supposed to be called, which numbers are going to come under 1 to 9. So if when do we say that a person is born on 1? It's not 1 doesn't mean the first. Okay, 1 means the next one. This we will call as natives. Alright, natives of 1. So those people who are born on 1st of any month, on 10th of any month, okay, on 19th, okay, 19th of any month and 28th of any month. Okay, so over here if you start adding up these digits, especially the double digits, you will see that these are all coming down to 1. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 9 plus 1 equals to 10, that again comes down to 1, 8 plus 2 equals to 10, 10 means 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So those of you who are born on these dates 1, 10, 19 and 28, so these people are number 1 people, okay, and number 1 people, their planet is sun, okay, the sun planet. Now in the later half I will try to make you understand how will you be remembering or how you will be understanding that how to take out the planet calculations. Okay, so next let us see the next number, that is 2. 2 belongs to people who are born on 2nd, and then 11, and then 20, okay, and then 27 or 29. Okay, so this one is easily understood. This is 2, this is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 0 2, and 9 plus 2 becomes 11, 11 means 2. Alright, so this is how you are going to calculate your native number, okay, your ruling number, and now since 2 is the ruling number of these people, so this 2 belongs to which planet? 2 belongs to moon planet, okay, the planet moon. Next we come down to number 3. So number 3 people are those who are born on 3rd of any month, then they are born on 12th of any month, 21st of any month and 30th of any month. Okay, so these people are 3 and their planet is Jupiter. Okay, these are their planets. 3 belongs to Jupiter as per numerology. Alright, next comes let us go down to number 4. So 4 people, those are 4 people, they are born on 4th of any month, then it is 13th of any month, okay, then it is 22nd of any month and 31st of any month, okay, and these people belongs to Rahu planet, okay, Rahu planet. Next comes to 5. 5 people are obviously born on 5th of any month, 5th, then these are 14th of any month, 23rd of any month, and no, there is no other month, okay, because after 31st there is no other month. So these 3 dates means from 5 you will find that there are 3 dates only coming down, okay, and people from 5 they belongs to Mercury, okay, they belongs to Mercury planet. Next 6 number people are born on 6th, 15th, 24th, that's it, these 3 numbers, and this planet, these numbers belong to Venus, okay, and remember this year which we are right now, this is 2022, so we are in the 6th year, means this is a 6th native number, okay, so all those people who are born on 6th or on these dates, so for them this year is going to be very lucky, means they can start off with many new job or any new projects which will turn out to be very lucky for them. Alright, next we are moving on to, I'm already messed up the paper. Okay, I hope still I can make sure that all of you can understand. Now 7, the 7 native people, they belong what are the date of births that belong to 7? Those are obviously 7th of any month, 16th of any month, and 25th of any month. Okay, 7, 16 and 25th of any month, these people belong to 7, and this is called Ketu. Okay, Ketu, the lower part of Rahu. Rahu is the head and Ketu is the hind part. Okay, lower part. Next we come down to another number, and a very important number for finance, okay, and for struggle also. So remember, those of you who are having, okay, today I won't be analyzing about these numbers. In my next sessions I will definitely be explaining you what is the significance of each and every number. Okay, and if there is any sort of negativities in any numbers, when sometimes the influence of every number is sometimes high, sometimes low. Okay, so if you want to change this pattern of every number into your life so that your life becomes a more better than before, so there are certain remedies, there are many solutions in numerology that I will be discussing in the later half of my sessions. Okay, so 8 means the people who are born on 8th of any number, any month, then 17th of any month, and 26th of any month. So these people belongs to number 8, and this 8 number people's ruling planet is Saturn, which we call as Shani. Okay, the Shani Dev. Okay, so this is 8, and the last and the most powerful, remember this is last and the most powerful because this number is a combination of 2 numbers. Okay, now you will be asking what are the 2 numbers. So this number is having 1, okay, and it is also having 1 0. A 0 means fulfillment. 0 means fulfillment, okay, and 1 means sun. So when the sun completes its circle, okay, or when the sun is round enough, it's very powerful. So this 9 number people are supposed to be the most powerful people amongst all other numbers. Okay, and now let us see who are those people. Number 9. Number 9 belongs to number 9 natives, then it is 18, and then it is 27. So I hope you can see that we have almost covered all the numbers from 1 to 31. Okay, we have covered almost all the numbers from 1 to 31. Okay, so once again let me give you a recap of those numbers. So number 1 people, you will be belonging from 1, 10, 19 and 28. So all of you whose date of birth of any month, so these are the date of birth of any month. All right, so you people belong to number 1 native. You people are from number 1 and your ruling planet is sun. All right, so just remember this, because in my later half of the sessions everything will be related to these numbers only. All the games, all the tricks, all the remedies that I will be sharing on this page will be related to these numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, so do not be confused. If you are confused, if you don't understand you belong to which number, just go to this live later on. If you are not present today, if you are not able to see it today itself, so in the later when you get time, definitely go through this recorded live and you will find out which number do you belong to. So number 2 people are from 2, 11, 20 and 29. Number 3 people are from 3, 12, 21 and 30. Number 4 people are from 4, 13th, 22nd, 31st. 5 people are from 5, 14, 23. 6 people are from 6, 15 and 24. 7 people are from 7th, 16th and 25th of any month. 8 people are from 8th, 17th and 26th of any month, and 9 people are from 9, 18th and 27th of any month. Okay, and I didn't mention about the planet. The ruling planet of number 9 is Mars. Alright, so today it is 3rd of June, we know, means today it is 3. Okay, so this is how you have to understand. Now let me just turn the page and let me make you understand once again. If there is any problem at any point of the session, you can just comment me. I can read out the comments. Alright, so we have found out that from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are the most vital numbers that we are going to study. Okay, and once again let me make you remember that what are the ruling planet of every number. So for number 1 people it is the sun, for number 2 people it is the moon, for number 3 people it is the Jupiter, for number 4 people it is Rahu. Okay, number 5 people it is Mercury, for number 6 people it is Venus, for number 7 it is Ketu, and 8 it is Saturn, and for 9 it is Mars. Alright, now I hope all of you will now be able to understand you belong to which number and which is your ruling planet. Okay, so I won't be extending much on this live because I want you all of you to understand this first, and then we will slowly move on to our another chapters from numerology, where you will be able to calculate about yourself, about your date of birth, about your ruling planets, and later on many other things will be unfold. Okay, gradually. So this will be a very short introductory session for today, and if there is any other problem regarding these numbers or regarding any other question from this session, you can just comment me in this comment section. Alright, and that's it. After telling you about all these numbers and their planets, I will be starting my tarot sessions, which will be just a very short session. So whatever questions you will be having, the only procedure for your tarot readings will be that you have to follow this page, and then whatever questions you have, you can drop it into the comment section while I am doing the live, and you will be getting your answers. Okay, so thank you all for joining in this introductory live today. I'll try to come again on next Friday, and then I will be discussing about these planets. Okay, so all of you till then, throughout this week, what you have to do is your homework will be try to find out that you belong to which number, what is the native number from your date of birth, and remember your date of birth has to be the real one. Okay, the real one. Sometimes we write the fake ones on our certificates, so try not to follow the fake ones, only try to get hold of the real date of birth, because your life is real and hence your date of birth has to be real one. All right, so if some of you are having problems that my date of birth in certificate is written something else and I belong to something else, so it's your duty to find it out. All right, so that's it. So your homework will be to find out the driver numbers. Yes, these are the driver numbers. Oh, and next time I will also be talking to you about what are driver, what are conductors. Okay, gradually I will be talking to you, I will be discussing with you about all these stuff, so that numerology becomes easy for you to understand, and it becomes easy for you to unfold the secrets of life, the problems, the issues that are coming into your life. These are all hidden in between these numbers. So once you are well acquainted with your problems, it will be definitely easy for you to find out the solutions. All right, so only have some faith on yourself and do try to come on live, or do, and also you can also ping me up in my number. My contact number would be 82405-23699. So over here, if there is any urgency, you can call me up or you can WhatsApp me with your problem. Okay, but for personal reading there are some minimal charges that you have to bear, and if you think your problem is more bigger than those charges, then only you can contact me, else there is no hard and fast rule. All right, so there are many other people in the marketplace. You can get hold of many numerologists, many astrologists. So if you find any sort of connection with me, if you find that yes, I will be able to answer you properly and more comfortably, then you can definitely connect with me in this number and I will definitely try to help you out. So thank you so much all of you. So this will be your homework, that just find out the driver number of your date of birth. All right, so that's all for this session. It was very nice that I started off with this session in my page Psychic Sheila. I would be very happy to help you all again. So till then, see you next week. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.